Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a big question that many retirees face. Should you strive to have your home fully paid off in retirement, or is carrying a mortgage, or even renting a better financial move? This topic goes beyond numbers, diving into personal preferences, emotional attachments, and practical considerations. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights on retirement planning and personal finance. And here's a question to spark discussion. What's your biggest concern about home ownership and retirement? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get the conversation started. The dollars and cents of a paid-off home. Owning your home outright is often considered a cornerstone of financial stability in retirement. The reasoning is straightforward. Eliminating your monthly mortgage payment can drastically reduce your fixed expenses, freeing up cash flow for other priorities such as healthcare, travel, or building a financial cushion. For instance, the average monthly mortgage payment on a 3-bedroom home in the U.S. is approximately $1,140 at an interest rate of 3.25%. Over a year, this amounts to nearly $14,000, a significant chunk of money that could otherwise be allocated toward enhancing your retirement lifestyle. Yet, even a fully paid-off home is not without its financial obligations. Property taxes remain a consistent cost, and for the average 3-bedroom home, they amount to $3,602 annually, according to Forbes. Additionally, maintenance costs, covering everything from routine upkeep to major repairs like replacing a roof or HVAC system, typically average 1% of the home's value per year. For a home valued at $327,500, that translates to roughly $3,275 annually. Utilities, another unavoidable expense, add around $5,148 per year. Altogether, these recurring costs can easily exceed $12,000 annually, even without a mortgage. While this is a far cry from the $14,000 or more that would be spent on a mortgage, it underscores an important point. Owning a home outright significantly improves cash flow, but it doesn't entirely eliminate housing expenses. These ongoing costs highlight the importance of budgeting carefully, even for retirees with a paid-off home, to ensure these expenses align with their overall financial plan. Renting versus owning in retirement. Renting can be a practical and financially viable alternative to homeownership in retirement, especially for those who prefer flexibility or wish to simplify their financial responsibilities. For instance, consider a scenario where you sell your home, valued at $327,500, and invest the proceeds in municipal bonds yielding a 4% annual return. This investment would generate $13,100 in tax-free income per year. If you then rent a comparable property for $2,018 per month or $24,216 annually, your rental expenses would exceed your investment income by $11,116. However, this trade-off also eliminates recurring homeownership costs such as property taxes and maintenance, which could offset part of the gap. Renting is particularly appealing for retirees who wish to downsize, relocate frequently, or avoid the financial uncertainties associated with owning a home. Homeownership comes with risks such as unexpected repair costs, natural disasters, and fluctuating property values. Renting shifts these risks to the property owner, giving tenants the freedom to focus on other aspects of their retirement. Moreover, renting can be more practical for retirees who wish to spend extended periods traveling or who are unsure about settling in one location. However, renting is not without its challenges. The most significant risk is rising rental costs, which can increase unpredictably over time, especially in areas with high demand or limited housing supply. This lack of cost stability can be a concern for retirees on fixed incomes. Additionally, unlike owning a home, renting does not provide long-term equity or the potential for financial appreciation, which can be a disadvantage for those who prioritize building or preserving wealth. Ultimately, the decision to rent or own in retirement depends on individual circumstances, including financial goals, lifestyle preferences, and the level of stability or flexibility desired. While renting may not be the best choice for everyone, it can be an attractive option for retirees seeking a simpler, more adaptable approach to housing. The emotional value of homeownership. A home is more than just a financial asset. For many, it is a cornerstone of identity and emotional well-being. It's where families gather, milestones are celebrated, and memories are created. These intangible elements often make selling or renting a home a deeply personal and challenging decision, even when the financial logic points in a different direction. For some, a home can feel like an invisible family member, a symbol of continuity and history that connects generations. However, as we age, practicality must also play a role in deciding whether to keep a home. Features that once seemed ideal, like multiple floors or a large yard, can become burdensome or even hazardous over time. For retirees, maintaining a home with unused bedrooms or difficult-to-navigate stairs may result in unnecessary expenses and physical strain. Downsizing to a more accessible or manageable property can provide a better balance between preserving cherished memories and addressing the realities of aging, allowing for a retirement that aligns with both emotional and practical needs. The trade-offs of carrying a mortgage. Carrying a mortgage into retirement is not universally negative and can in some cases be a strategic financial decision. With historically low interest rates, some retirees choose to keep their mortgage and redirect their savings toward investments that potentially yield higher returns. For example, if a mortgage rate is 3.25%, but your portfolio generates 6% annually, the spread can work in your favor, allowing you to grow your wealth while continuing to make manageable mortgage payments. This strategy can be particularly appealing for those with sufficient liquidity and a strong tolerance for investment risk. However, holding debt in retirement carries inherent risks. Market volatility can impact investment returns, and unexpected expenses such as medical bills or emergencies may strain your budget. Additionally, a fixed mortgage payment can become a significant burden if your income decreases or other costs, such as health care, rise unexpectedly. For these reasons, many financial planners advise paying off a mortgage before retirement if possible, as it reduces financial stress and ensures a more predictable cash flow during your non-working years. This approach offers peace of mind, even if it may not maximize potential investment gains. What's the right choice for you? Deciding whether to pay off your home, carry a mortgage, or rent in retirement depends on a mix of financial, emotional, and practical factors. If cash flow and peace of mind are your top priorities, owning your home outright can provide significant relief. However, if flexibility, mobility, or potential investment returns align better with your goals, renting or keeping a low-interest mortgage might make more sense. Ultimately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The key is to evaluate your unique situation, including your financial resources, lifestyle preferences, and future needs. If you're still unsure, consult a financial advisor to explore the best path forward. If you found this discussion helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on retirement and personal finance. Let me know in the comments, would you prefer a paid-off home or are you open to renting in retirement? I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore strategies for maximizing your retirement income.